Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're still playing Tower of Hell, but this will probably be 2 minutes because I'm gonna get ready for a stream with my friends soon. And yeah, so let's see if I can make it up the tower. I think it might be at 2 or 2:30. But I don't know. No, oh my god, I knew it. Okay. Oh my god, they keep on missing it. How is everyone so good at this stage and I'm just not? Yes, go me. Go, 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 go. Why is he going like the wrong way? That guy? Oh. He probably made it to the top. Oh god. Okay, this one's easy if you're on computer. Well, maybe when you're on when you're on mobile one time. Oh no, okay. Phew. At least I got on that. Okay. I don't know if the stream is at 2 right now, because it is 2 right now. I don't know. I'll probably join at 2:30. Probably stay for like 15 minutes and I might come back and make another video. Oh gosh. No! Oh my. No! I'm never gonna make it up. Okay, let's go. Yeah, when is the stream? You planned it. TH. Okay. One sec. Sorry guys, I'm back. My mom just had to come in here and I wasted like 2 minutes or a minute, I don't know. Probably 2. Felt like 2 minutes. Well, I do kinda like this stage a little bit-ish. Oh god. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna touch that glowy. Go! No! Never gonna make it up. Oh my god. Okay. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, I thought I almost fell off. I might try it this way now. might be easier. You never really know. No, GG Toaster. Oh yeah. Wait, do I have? Oh, never mind. Go. Go, go, go. Go. No, 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 no. I'm never gonna make it. Oh my god, what kind of noise did I just make? That cough doesn't mean I have corona. Please, please understand. Okay. I'm definitely not gonna make it. Because I suck at Tower of Heck. And yeah. Oh god. Oh my god. Yes. 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 Like, my skills are bad on camera, but off camera, they're good. Oh god. No, 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 no. Well, if you keep practicing. Okay. What the heck? Okay, let's go. No. Go, 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 go. Go. Go, go, go. Everyone's literally dying. Ooh, yes, I got this. Go. No, oh my god. I'm never gonna make it. Go. Maybe I should try it without. Never mind. I'm gonna still try it with shift lock. Go, go. Shift lock is actually easy. You could get it on mobile, but I just forgot how. I literally like touched my screen before, and then I had like shift lock. I don't know what I did. I was just normally playing, and then I got it, but it doesn't show this little like dot right there. Oh gosh. I think I might make it up this tower. Probably not. Though. Go, 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 go. I say go too much. Go, go. Oh my god, I need to stop saying go. This stage is really easy. I like it. Oh, this one I sometimes get tricked with. Like, I don't know. Oh gosh, gosh. Go, go, go. I have 2 more stages to go after this. Yes, this one's so easy. How does he go, like, right through them? Oh God, not this one. Please, no, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. I got this. I believe in myself. Go, go. Oh my God, I thought it was gonna fall off. Oh gosh. Go, go. No, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. We got this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. I have, my arms are out of my body. Okay. A new player, not someone who killed you. Oh God. Dance 3. No, why'd you speed, dude? We could have waited for him. I bet he probably would have made it up. Oh well. Well guys, I might end the video right here, but subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, as you already know. Yeah, bye-bye.